had a pretty busy day today. Nursing home went well. Thank you for your prayers. We played, um, I forgot the song we played by Nat King Cole. We played Nat King Cole. I played, Carl Thomas, Gee Whiz It's Christmas. I played The Whispers. I played, of course, Temptations again, Donny Hathaway. I played Yolanda Adams, Oh Holy Night. I played, of course, Eartha Kitt, Santa Baby. Um, Kenny G again. They liked it, which is good. So we had a good time. I didn't play my guitar. I played my tambourine instead. It sounded like jingle bells, so I just figured I would, keep up that theme rather than strumming power chords and yelling "Go!" But I hope you appreciated the video yesterday. I had a lot of fun making it. Um, it's one of the things that I get a chance. Thankfully, I get a chance to show you. I know you can't always show me yours because, of course, your audience is much larger than mine. Than ones on mine, which is just us, basically. But I did want to say, I hope it made you laugh. I really hope you didn't get, or no, I hope you didn't get offended by anything I did. In terms of, like, I don't know, I'm super sensitive, so, yeah, I just hope, like, because I want to make you happy. I don't want to make you feel like, oh no, she was trying to, just know it's all done in fun and all done in love. And especially the fact that, that Michael Jackson impersonator is a trip. So you can't, you know, it's a forever legacy archive. Like, it's stuck there now. Like they say, it lives in my brain. So, um, so what else happened today? Well, um, I ended up keeping one of the purchases I made recently that makes noise. So it gives you an idea what instrument it is. It has 6 strings. I um, went to different places to see if it was legit, and everybody was saying it's pretty good. So I'm pretty pleased with my um, latest selection for my birthday. Knowing good and well I can't afford it, but I don't know, something about it that you know, and you know, I'll put this. Excuse me. It was just different. It stood out to me. Beloved, I'm very tired. I did a lot of driving just to confirm and to get things fixed on it. So I woke up, I want to say like 10, a little after 10, went to work and got back here around, I want to say like 4-ish, something like that. And I just had to do a lot of concentrating. Sometimes when I have to do that, especially like driving and then directions, and then I was trying to listen to a Eric Thomas podcast called Enough is Enough. if you want to check it out. It's like an hour and 20 minutes, I think. It's a compilation video. It's E.T. the Hip Hop Preacher. That is his name, what he goes by. On his YouTube. So if you look him up, that's what you need to look up. E.T. the Hip Hop Preacher. But I was listening to his podcast or his message Enough is Enough on YouTube on my drive home while GPS was running in the background. And yeah, now I'm just kind of tired because I was trying to figure out if I wanted to keep it, and then I decided to do so. And now I'm like fretting because, you know, just financially I don't necessarily have what it takes to keep it, but it's something that I want to keep for myself for my Christmas gift. So yeah, just I'm starting to see where my weaknesses are, and I think that's part of the reason why I haven't been listening to the podcast. To the message today that Eric said was very timely. You're talking about discipline and separate yourself and being commitment, to whatever it is you're trying to do, and things will come along to help you, but you have to do your part first. And don't feel like it's going to be easy. I feel like it's interesting, although I would never say at all that my life is hard, in terms of where I am now, thank God, but emotionally and spiritually it has been tested. And when you go through it emotionally, you can kind of, compartmentalize it sometimes a lot better than physical scars, but those are the type of traumas that hit the hardest because you're dealing with your subconscious and not your physical body. And your subconscious is much more susceptible to programming and just looking at the ground, sorry. Programming and just